guys, welcome back. It's your girl Dalajah. Now today I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday no makeup look. I basically just use 4 products, very inexpensive except for one, but you can substitute it. So I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have the CoverGirl Plump a Flat. I'm using this mascara. by CoverGirl. And then I also have the Vaseline Cocoa Butter for my lips because my lips be screaming. And then as for the highlight, I just go to my go-to Anastasia That Glow Kit. And I use like the Bronze Goddess. The Golden Bronze. I'm just making shit up, huh? I use the Golden Bronze because I feel like it complements my skin well. But you can substitute this for anything else. I've been using my my Zoe. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, you guys should go watch it. My Zoe, my Miracle Serum by Mary Louise Cosmetics. I swear by that product, it's the best ever. I am really happy how my skin looks right now because I wish I had a picture of me back in middle school. Girl, it was not cute. It was not cute at all. So I'm gonna show you how to get this look. It takes literally less than 10 minutes. Can take 5. You can fill in your eyebrows. I didn't fill in my eyebrows just because I just got done tinting them. So if you want to see that, I'm not sure if I'm going to post that after or before this video. So I just cleaned them up a little bit. And they just look so natural. Like, can we just admire the brow? You see it? You see it? Yeah, you see that brow? Alright, so if you guys want to see how I get this makeup look in less than 10 minutes, then I think you should keep watching. brings us to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to better, I think there's a fly in my ring light. They gonna burn. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more of me, you guys should subscribe. Like right now, you know, press that button. Press the button. Press the mother button. Yeah, I'll leave all my links below, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any tips, what do you guys do for your natural makeup looks? I'm really interested. And yeah, I'm just so happy. I am really happy right now. I'm aiming to do uploads now on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.